She is in the kitchen.
She's in the kitchen.
She is interested in sports.
She is interested in sports.
I will arrive in the morning.
I will arrive in the morning.
The book is written in English.
The book is written in English.
The cat is sleeping in the box.
The cat is sleeping in the box.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
I'll call you on Monday.
I'll call you on Monday.
She was on the phone when I called.
She was on the phone when I called.
There's a mark on your shirt.
There's a mark on your shirt.
I'll meet you on the corner.
I'll meet you on the corner.
We met at the park.
We met at the park.
The meeting is at 3 p.m.
The meeting is at 3 p.m.
I'm looking at the picture.
I'm looking at the picture.
She's good at playing the piano.
She's good at playing the piano.
He laughed at the joke.
He laughed at the joke.
The letter was sent by post.
The letter was sent by post.
The book is written by J.K. Rowling.
The book is written by J.K. Rowling.
She arrived by car.
She arrived by car.
The restaurant is located by the sea.
The restaurant is located by the sea.
She traveled by train to work.
She traveled by train to work.
The ball is under the table.
The ball is under the table.
She works under pressure.
She works under pressure.
The cat hid under the table.
The cat hid under the table.
We studied under the dim light.
We studied under the dim light.
The bird flew over the house.
The bird flew over the house.
There was a disagreement over the money.
There was a disagreement over the money.
He's worried over his health.
He's worried over his health.
The curtain is over the window.
The curtain is over the window.
She walked across the street.
She walked across the street.
I saw a bridge across the river.
I saw a bridge across the river.
She ran across the field.
She ran across the field.
The idea spread across the group.
The idea spread across the group.
He climbed up the ladder.
He climbed up the ladder.
The prices went up last week.
The prices went up last week.
She stood up to speak.
She stood up to speak.
The sun came up early today.
The sun came up early today.
He fell down the stairs.
He fell down the stairs.
The car broke down in the middle of the road.
The car broke down in the middle of the road.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
She wrote the answer down on the paper.
She wrote the answer down on the paper.